This is the Shadyside garage, and it seems very shady over here.
We got Jared.
Very shady guy over here.
Hey, what's up,
He's
guys?
very shady.
And we have two Dovers.
It's a Dover. Set it down.
These are tall.
They are tall.
It's a Dover.
2-person max.
Well, Andrew, get out.
Please stay here before returning to your vehicle.
No. Let's go down.
Marshall. Someone send up to 4, please.
They're from the 80s.
Ooh, door close button works. I like that. This is a good elevator.
Is there a good view up here?
Maybe. I don't know.
Let's see.
You may be able to see Oakland.
The water tower.
We can just see that we're in a pretty valley here, kind of.
There's the cathedral.
Yep, that's the Cathedral of Learning. Good old Kathy. We got 2 nerds.
Call the elevator, please. And then we'll go to the basement and switch cars. Ooh, look at those lights. I like that light.
Oh, wow. Nice.
And the door close button works. We all love that.
No phone.
No phone, just an alarm bell. There's Dieselducy.
Oh, so get the other car. It's working.
Yep, it's coming.
These look cool. Like the metal.
Shadyside garage.
With 2 shady people here.
Maximum 2 people.
Alright, Andrew, get out.
Well, we're gonna break that rule and do 3.
All right, press the door close button.
Flop.
Let's see if this has good motor.
And also, just so you know, you're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
So I'm gonna be.
Yeah, no phone, just the bell. I'm surprised how many elevators in the state don't have phones. Just remember.
You are beautiful.
Marshall.
Yep, that's Pittsburgh for you. You're gonna see a lot of those.
Down here. In the creepy basement. Hydraulic fluid.
A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.